Patels, and Cinderella is very sleepy. It is 5th October Monday, and it is 11 p.m. I am in process of uploading another video for you that I did yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. So I'm gonna do an updated packing video for high altitude trekking, because the one that I did was a bit emotional one, because my trip was cancelled and it was for month of May, and we are going now, so it will be very cold. Still not full-fledged winter. Sleepy, sorry about that. Still not full-fledged winter though, and but still we have to add few more layers, and we're just going for a week rather than 10 days. And yeah, if, like I said, renovations are still going on, so I had to like clean as much as I can and arrange things, so it took time. I'm very sleepy, I'm very tired, and like I said, my work laptop broke, which has taught me art of delegation. So while my team members are busy, let me pack and take a vacation to mountains. So I have things scattered here. They're not scattered, they're just arranged so that I can explain you and show you a bit. Okay, so let's start. Alright guys, so I hope you can see me. And so I'm going for a week, so about 7 days. And so I have two bags. I have a 60-liter bag that opens, like it has compartments, so I'm going to compartmentalize, if that's a word. I'm going to compartmentalize stuff so it's easy to take things out. And I like this big bag because it's like suitcase. It opens, and if you have packing cubes, and if you divide according to the days or the places that you want to go, and it's just easy to manage, because you get very tired, after trekking. So yeah, let's start packing. So here's what I did last time, and it worked for me. So I'm going to start with what I'm going to wear. Now, high altitude trekking is not fancy, it's not glamorous, it's not glamping. Okay, so you don't need a lot of stuff, and you get, like I said, you get tired. I'm going to just shut the window. Yeah, so you get tired, and you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. Now usually a 50-liter or a 45-liter bag would do for a week, but I don't want to buy another bag. Plus this bag, it has a dedicated place to attach my trekking pole. If you see my first packing video, I've already, that's the since then I have attached the trekking pole. If you see this string here, and I don't want to take it out. If you put your trekking pole inside your bag, sometimes they open your bag and they you might not get your trekking pole. So yeah, hopefully I will get my trekking pole and won't get lost. Okay, so yeah, I've attached it. The last time this trekking pole were like 2 pieces apart when I reached from Dehradun to Chennai. So here's what I've divided actually. So I'm going to first pack here what I'm going to wear, after I reach hotel each night. So I'm going to take this fleece pant, this nice fleece pant that I got from States. I don't remember that I've used this. I think I might have used some other pant, but nonetheless, and then just a basic Banana Republic, I think, black tea. Now, this is some regular black tea that my brother gave me, I think. So I've never used it, so it's perfect because black is going to keep me warm. And then I have another one set of, actually I have 2 set of thermals. So this is another set of thermal, one set of thermal that I've already used. So I'm going to first try and use what I've already used, and then I'm going to go for some new stuff that I've got last year for my KGL, Kashmir Great Lakes trek. Then this is something, so I don't have to go through all my bags through my stuff. I can just open this zip and take out what I have to wear at the hotel, when we go back after trekking. So that's the way I'm going to pack it pack it again, repack it once I'm done and we are off for trekking. So this is something, this is like, I don't know what this is, but it's like it's like an overall that I got. It's very dirty because it's very old. So it's yeah, it's a bit patchy, and but it's, I mean, I've washed it. And I'm gonna take this. Last time I forgot this when I went to Kedarnath, and in Kedarnath it is very cold. It is very cold, and they charge you like 50 rupees for a blanket. But you know, Ghorpad negotiates, so I told them that you can remove, there were two other friends, so I said that you can remove two dead bodies, three dead bodies, but we are not paying 50 rupees for one blanket. So he said, he gave us four blankets free. So like I said, negotiate wherever you go, you know. I rather save 50 rupees and die in cold than spend 50 rupees. So yeah, so this I'm going to take with me to Kedarnath. So the reason why I'm keeping here is in case if I need it. It gets very. They do give you blankets. We want to stay in good hotels as far as possible. So in case if they don't give us blanket, this is going to be. And if they do give us blanket, you know, this is going to be helpful to keep to add another layer to keep myself warm. So that is done. And then these are like house socks. These also keep warm. I got them from States long time ago. See, if you see, they are a bit dirty, you know. Things get very dirty in mountain, and I'm not complaining. I don't want to remove other stuff and get them dirty too. So but these are washed, everything is washed. So this also, while sleeping at night, is going to keep me warm. So that is done. Then I have some gloves that I am not going to keep here. So I think this section is done. And then I have this, I can keep this and the sanitizer spray also here rather than inside, because these are big bottles and there's still room here. So this sanitizer spray a must these days. And this is antifungal powder. Actually this was bought for KGL, but we can, you know, most likely every day we can go ahead and take a shower. So we won't need this, but just in case, antibacterial powder, because of the pandemic anyways, it will be helpful. So that's done. So why does it not close? Yeah, so this is all I need for sleeping at night. Close this. I know why it's not closing. Okay, so yeah, this bag was very expensive. I spent around 4 or 5,000 for this bag. Alright guys, so I think I'm good. You guys are able to see me. So I'm going to continue with the day bag, this backpack. And this day bag, I would have rather packed it for Kedarnath because that's a first stop. And we reached very late to Kashi. So however, these days airlines is just allowing some small backpack that you can keep under seat. So I don't want to fill this. These are some used socks, so I'll just keep it here, and I can use it probably on the first day. And this is actually a rain cover for this day pack. And the other day I just put some hand sanitizer. Remember Bangalore to Hyderabad I got, so I'm going to keep some here. I have another pair of socks. I think I can skip this. So this is done, and yeah, these are hand gloves. I'm going to keep the hand gloves. Okay. So I have arranged everything. This is my raincoat. I don't know why it says 40 liter, but whatever it is, 40. Okay. So it can cover a 40 liter bag. So it's a huge raincoat. So it goes in here, because if it rains, I mean this we are going to carry. I'm going to carry this backpack every day when I trek. So it's going to be, so this will be in this bag. And then of course I have the neck warmer. You know, this I think will be helpful in Kedarnath. So a neck warmer. Maybe I can keep the neck warmer here. So neck warmer. And then I have this trekking pant that I got first time, and it's bit dirty. It's very difficult to get the mud out. the one that you get, it gets soiled in mountains. But it's okay. I have another new one, fresh one, but I'm not going to use that. Uh, I will use that in case if it is required. So one trekking pant, and the reason why I'm packing is in case if my baggage gets lost, I don't want to cover myself back in up in the mountains with leaves. I'm not Eve, and I will die of cold for sure. And then this is the other one. The I was talking like the wine color, this wine color t-shirt that I got. This is the first breathable. This is also merino wool. So I thought blue would be nice. There is another one that I've given to my mom for washing. No, I do not give my clothes to my mom for washing, but because my house is under renovation, I asked her if she can help me with washing that t-shirt. So she's gonna get that t-shirt. Otherwise, yeah, I think I've given the t-shirt to her. So yeah, so this anyways, this is breathable. So I'm going to wear this to Kedarnath. Just just pray for me that I get a good darshan in Kedarnath. So you don't wear, usually you don't wear क्या बोलते हैं a napkin. You usually don't wear uh, thermals while trekking because it's going to increase your body temperature and you're going to feel very very cold. And of course you need a cap. Gorpan needs a cap because I feel I get very cold. And there's another one that I'm going to carry. Like I said, it's not a glamorous place, and it's you don't you don't it's not like a fashion show where you get to wear different nice clothes every day. So I'm going to take less clothes. It rains, it is very cold, you end up wearing the same insulated jacket, so it doesn't make sense to carry a lot of stuff. So I think this is good for day pack. This is what I'm going to carry because it has basics. So this is what I'm going to carry with me in the air in the flight as a carry-on. So that's done. And last time, I had this fleece also inside that, and I had this also. This is a puffer jacket also inside that. But this time, like I said, I might have to fold and put it under the seat. I'm going to keep it half light, and I'm going to wear this insulated jacket. Is the best. You're going to see me in this a lot. It's going to be a uniform for next 7 days, next week. And I had forgotten. No, actually, I had not forgotten. I had worn, I think, only this, and I did not carry thermals to Kedarnath. I don't remember, but this will keep you very very warm. It's an insulated rain jacket. It's going to protect you from rain as well. So I love this. I paid, I think, 2,000, and yeah, it is not that clean because I've used it a lot, but it is nice. So I plan to wear this at the airport while going because this is my favorite. It looks nice and it protects me, keeps me warm in the cold weather. So that's done. Our day pack is done. Now we have to pack this bag. What I'm going to wear at night is also packed. So you have already seen this fleece. I have additional trekking pants. Same kind of trekking pant that you get in Decathlon. Almost all the stuff is from Decathlon. I have one sports bra, and I'm going to, in case if I have to change. And I have a fleece jacket. I don't know where I'm going to wear this. Not planned. But I'm just going to carry it in this packing cube. Okay. So this, and then I have another t-shirt, same merino wool. I have another t-shirt that is breathable. So 3 t-shirts. Then I have another layer. This is like a sweater from Gap. So probably I can wear this for Kedarnath. And I'm going to do a explicit video, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to carry out of these. What I'm going to carry for Kedarnath. So this is another t-shirt, and this is another long sleeve t-shirt. Probably I'll wear this for my overnight stay in Kedarnath. Because I heard it's -4 degrees Celsius. So I have another top, folded everything. Yeah. Cinderella is sleepy. Sleeping Beauty is sleepy. So yeah, this is actually a sports Dakin t-shirt from bought from sports Dick's Sporting Good from States when I was first time I was learning martial arts. So yeah, this t-shirt, and this t-shirt, I think I have enough. Okay, and then I have a good set of thermals and some. I got this last year. I've not worn this, and someone told me, like from Decathlon, they told me this is updated and it's insulated and things like that. So we will test it in maybe probably in Kedarnath. I do not know. Probably will take it with us in Kedarnath. So let's keep everything in the packing cube. So I got 2 t-shirts, 2 pants, and then 1 fleece. I have additional fleece here. Okay. Let's see if it fits here in this packing cube. And in this packing cube, the best part is you can, tie it like this. It's like a suitcase. So, ow. Okay. Okay, alright. Let's see if we can zip this up. Success! Almost. Alright, success. Anyways, we will have to remove this. So in this goes. Okay. Now this is a small bag. This is like a headlight which I can keep it somewhere. And this is like another small bag, and I plan to take this blanket that I got. It's like a shawl, two-way shawl that I got from Jammu. So I plan to take this with me for, I don't know, to Kedarnath maybe, or even Badrinath is very cold. So I'm going to keep my hat, and of course we need our essential, which is mask. I'm going to keep one mask here, and maybe I should keep 2 masks, and the rest of the mask I'm going to keep it inside in case if I need to change. And then I have some mask in here also, and I like a lot of socks. So probably I should just keep the mask separate. Okay. So I'm just going to keep this outside. I'm going to keep all the socks actually